Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future in AI, crypto, coding and technology. Please like and subscribe. In the beginning, there was the internet, a beacon of innovation and connectivity. It emerged in the late 1960s as a government project known as ARPANET. It was an era of exploration, a time when the boundaries of technology were being pushed, and the concept of a globally connected network seemed like a distant dream. But as the internet evolved and expanded, a darker, more hidden side began to emerge. This is where our story begins. Welcome to the underbelly of the internet, the dark web, a place shrouded in anonymity and a safe haven for illicit activities. The dark web was born out of the desire for privacy and freedom. In the early 2000s, the US Naval Research Laboratory introduced Tor, or the Onion Router, a software that allowed users to browse the internet anonymously. This marked the beginning of an era where the internet was no longer just a tool for information and communication, but also a platform for secrecy and subterfuge. As the dark web and hacking were taking shape, another force was quietly emerging in the background, the field of cybersecurity. With the rise of digital threats, the need for cybersecurity became evident. The first antivirus software, Brain, was created in the late 1980s, marking the beginning of a new era. As the internet expanded, so did the realm of cybersecurity, evolving from simple virus protection to a complex system of firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems. Today, cybersecurity is a multi-billion-dollar industry, constantly evolving to combat new threats and protect the digital world. While the dark web was taking form, a different kind of revolution was happening. The age of hacking had begun. It started in the 1970s and 80s, when curious minds began exploring the possibilities of manipulating and controlling systems. As the internet grew, so did hacking. It transformed from a hobby for the tech-savvy to a weapon for cybercriminals. Parallel to these developments, another technological marvel was evolving: artificial intelligence. The concept of AI dates back to the mid-20th century, with the term being coined in 1956. Initially, it was just a theoretical concept, but by the turn of the millennium, AI had started to take a more concrete form. As we traverse deeper into this technological labyrinth, we find that AI has carved a significant role in the field of cybersecurity. Its ability to detect and respond to threats in real time has made it an invaluable asset in this battle against digital malice. Harnessing the power of machine learning algorithms, cybersecurity systems can now predict potential future attacks and fortify their defenses accordingly. Yet this powerful tool is not without its double-edged sword. Just as it can be used to bolster our cybersecurity, AI can also be wielded maliciously to automate and intensify cyber attacks. This duality of AI and cybersecurity paints a complex picture of our digital landscape, a landscape that continues to evolve and intertwine. As the years rolled by, these three seemingly disparate fields began to intersect. The dark web became a marketplace for hacking tools and services. AI, on the other hand, started being used to both bolster and combat cyber threats. Fast forward to today, and we're in an era where the dark web, hacking and AI are deeply intertwined. The dark web is the marketplace, hacking is the product, and AI is the tool. Together, they form a complex web of technology that has far-reaching implications for security, privacy, and the future of the internet. Looking ahead, the future of cybersecurity is both exciting and daunting. As we continue our journey into the depths of the digital realm, the field of cybersecurity will keep evolving with the advancement of technology. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, the tools we've come to rely on, will play a crucial role in this evolution. They will be the frontline soldiers, the digital shields, protecting us from the unseen threats lurking in the shadows of the complex web of technology. But as the landscape evolves, the danger evolves with it. The challenge for cybersecurity lies in staying one step ahead of the cybercriminals in this ever-evolving landscape. It's a digital chess match with the highest stakes imaginable. In this journey, we've traced the evolution of the dark web, hacking, and AI from their humble beginnings to their present state. We've seen how these three fields have intersected and influenced each other, shaping the landscape of the internet as we know it today. To summarize, the dark web, born out of a desire for privacy and freedom, has become a hub for illicit activities. Hacking, which started as a hobby, has evolved into a weapon for cybercriminals. And AI, once just a theoretical concept, is now a powerful tool that's being used in the fight against cyber threats. As we look towards the future, it's clear that these three fields will continue to evolve and intersect in ways we can't even imagine yet. The dark web, hacking, and AI are not just part of the internet, they are shaping its future. And as we move forward, it's crucial to understand and navigate this complex web of technology. As we witness the rapid progress in technology, the necessity for legislation to regulate its use becomes increasingly evident. The dark web, hacking, and AI, while instrumental in shaping the future of the internet, pose significant risks if misused. This underscores the importance of legislation in controlling such misuse. However, creating effective laws that keep up with the rapid pace of technological advancement is a formidable challenge. Laws like the GDPR in Europe and the CCPA in California, while promising, are just the first steps in the right direction. Their effectiveness in the face of evolving threats is yet to be fully realized. The role of legislation in shaping the future of the internet cannot be underestimated. As we move forward, the interplay between technology and legislation will be a critical aspect of our journey into the future. Voiceover. In conclusion, the dark web, hacking, and AI are intertwined in a complex dance. It's essential for us to understand this intricate relationship, as it significantly influences the internet's future. This interplay doesn't just involve these technologies, but the individuals, corporations, and governments that use and control them. Our collective actions, decisions, and regulations are shaping the future of the World Wide Web as we speak. As we advance further into the digital age, the threats evolve and adapt. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead. Vigilance and proactive measures are more crucial than ever. We must remember that our actions in this digital world are not without consequence. Every click, every share, every download has a ripple effect in this vast ocean of data. As we continue to navigate this digital labyrinth, it's our responsibility to ensure that we're crafting a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also safe and inclusive for all. Voiceover. Education holds a pivotal role in navigating the digital labyrinth. The dark web, hacking, and AI are not just buzzwords for tech enthusiasts. They are part of our everyday lives, influencing everything from our personal data to global politics. Educating the public about these technologies and their implications is paramount. It's not just about understanding what these technologies are, but also how to use them safely and ethically. As technology rapidly advances, the learning curve steepens. Continuous learning is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. We must stay updated not just to keep up, but to stay ahead. Education is our best defense against the misuse of technology. It is also our greatest tool in leveraging its benefits. It empowers us to make informed decisions, to protect ourselves and our communities, and to shape a future where technology serves us all. In this digital labyrinth, knowledge truly is power. Voiceover. In the end, the future of the internet lies in our hands. We all have a part to play in shaping its trajectory. Whether we are end users, educators, legislators, or developers, we must approach technology with ethics at the forefront of our minds. The internet, the dark web, hacking, and AI are powerful tools. Used irresponsibly, they can cause harm. But used ethically, they hold immense potential. They can democratize information, break down barriers, and foster global connections. They can help us solve complex problems, drive innovation, and build a better future. But it all depends on us. With great power comes great responsibility. Let's use these tools wisely to create a better, safer, and more inclusive digital world.